Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Amrutha IAS Academy. My name is Dr. B. Naresh, biology lecturer, Inadu columnist. So, today we are discussing nutrients, food materials. Today topic, nutrients, food materials. So, what are the food materials? How they are important to our body? Why we are taking them? See, food material give energy to our body. Any material giving energy, that is called food material. And food material, nutrient materials also important for body growth and development, and also helpful for healing of wounds. And finally, these nutrient materials helpful for metabolism. Metabolism means different functions, reactions in our body. So nutrient materials are helpful for all these ways. Once again, so nutrient material or food material give energy to our body and important for body growth and development, and also helpful for healing of wounds, and next important for metabolism and also improve immunity. That's why especially COVID time doctors advising take more quality nutrient material, take more proteins, vitamins, minerals, because nutrient materials improve immunity in our body. So these all are the uses and importance of nutrient materials. So nutrient materials are two types. So based on requirement. So here nutrient materials are two types. So number one, macronutrient materials. Number two, micronutrient materials. So see here, based on requirements, how much we are eating per day. So the requirement here, a macronutrient material require kg per day or at least gram per day. For example, carbohydrates, average we are taking 1 kg per day. Proteins, 50 to 100 grams per day. So fats, 50 to 100 grams per day compulsory. So material, food materials which require large quantity per day, they are called macronutrient materials. Here macro means actually big. Don't think big, this much size nutrient food materials are macronutrient materials. No, not based on size. Based on requirement, here nutrient materials are two types. Macronutrient materials meaning these are required large quantity, kg per day or grams per day. So next, micronutrient materials. So these are required very small quantity, milligrams enough or micrograms enough. These are enough, milligrams level or micrograms level. Examples, vitamins and minerals. So micronutrient materials require very small quantity, milligrams or micrograms per day. So for example, iron 500 mg enough, zinc 10 mg enough, all B complex vitamins 500 mg enough. Nobody take 100 grams vitamin C, 100 grams iron, 100 grams zinc. They require only small quantity. So doctors also give only milligrams or micrograms per day. So material like this, food material which are require very small quantity per day, so they are called micronutrient materials. Examples of micronutrient materials, so vitamins and minerals. Examples of macronutrient materials, okay, so carbohydrates, proteins, fats. And micronutrient material deficiency cause hidden hunger. Here I am writing hidden hunger. Very, very important, hidden hunger. So micronutrient deficiency called hidden hunger. So worldwide 60 to 70% population, they are suffering this hidden hunger. So once again, micronutrient deficiency cause hidden hunger. Okay, so next. Okay, so now we are discussing all these nutrient materials detailedly. In this first vitamins or vitamins, very, very important in all competitive exams. You can expect one compulsory question from vitamins. So first point, vitamins are micronutrient materials. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrient materials. Then what is the importance of vitamins to our body? See, vitamins and minerals not give any energy to our body. Then how they are useful to our body? They are the part of enzymes. Vitamins, minerals are part of enzymes. They activate enzymes. Then what are the enzymes? Enzymes are special biomolecules present in our cells, not only in our cells, all organism cells. So inside the cell, every function, every metabolism controlled by one enzyme. To activate enzymes, for functioning of enzymes, vitamins, minerals compulsory. So many vitamins, minerals activate enzymes. So for functioning of enzymes, vitamins compulsory. In case vitamins are not there, so enzymes function disturbance. So enzyme function disturbance, so that metabolism not completed. So disturbance of metabolism in our body. So disturbance of metabolism is nothing but disease. So this way, vitamins, minerals deficiency indirectly cause diseases. Once again, so vitamins, minerals not give any energy in our body. They are the part of the enzymes. They activate enzymes. So vitamins, minerals deficiency, enzymes cannot activate it. Enzymes cannot activate it, that function disturbance in our body. So disturbance of body function is called disease. This way, vitamins, minerals deficiency indirectly cause diseases in our body. So vitamins, minerals indirectly control our body metabolism. So functions, our body functions. So this is importance of vitamins. Okay. So vitamins term coined by Funk. Vitamins coined means given by. Vitamins term given by Funk. And he classified the vitamins. So Funk classified, divided vitamins into A, B, C, D, E, K. A, B, C, D, E, K. Funk classified vitamins into A, B, C, D, E, K. And he isolated B1 vitamin, chemically called thiamine. First time he isolated B1 vitamin, pure form, crystalline form. So for this he awarded Nobel Prize. So those days beriberi disease is a very dangerous disease. By giving thiamine B1 vitamin, they controlled it. So for this he awarded Nobel Prize. For all these reasons, Funk is called father of vitaminology. Father of vitaminology. Vitaminology means study of vitamins. So why Funk is called father of vitaminology? Because he coined the term. He coined the term means he given the term vitamins. Next, he classified the vitamins. And next, he isolated B1 vitamin, so pure form, crystalline form. So for all these reasons, he is called father of vitaminology. See, before Funk, many scientists are conducted research on vitamins, but they are not concluded anything scientifically. So they are not given any information scientifically. So that's why here we are considering father of vitaminology, Funk. Okay. So next, vitamins. So based on solubility, two types. Solubility means dissolve. So based on solubility, vitamins are two types. Water soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins. So based on dissolveness, solubility, vitamins are two types. Water soluble vitamins. Example, B, C. So we can easily dissolve a B complex tablet in water. Vitamin C easily dissolved in water. So that's why B and C are water soluble vitamins. Next, fat soluble vitamins. A, D, E, K. Fat soluble vitamins. A, D, E, K. These actually fats, oils. That's why a oil easily dissolved in another oil. For example, so and so sunflower oil enriched with vitamin AD. They are adding extra AD in that oil. Reason, these vitamins are ready to dissolve in oil. So why? So these vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. Okay. So AD, fish oil contains vitamin AD. So why? In dissolved form, AD present in fish oil. So these all are examples. Yes, AD, EK are fat soluble vitamins. So based on solubility, so two types, water soluble vitamins B, C, and fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. So here one more interesting point. So B, C are non-storable vitamins in our body. Very important point. B, C are non-storable vitamins. Non-storable meaning excess B, C not present in our body. Our body not stored them. They excreted outside. So mainly they excreted outside through urine. So for example, today you are taken 5 grams of vitamin C. That become excess to our body. That time that vitamin become excess to our body. That excess vitamin not present in our body, not stored in our body, excreted outside. Or you are taken today a 4 or 5 B complex vitamins, 500 mg each. They become excess. That time they become excess. So excess, these B complex vitamins excreted outside. Reason, B and C are non-storable vitamins. So because of this one, excess taking of B and C per day become waste. That's why doctors give only 1 B complex tablets per day or 1 vitamin C per day, maximum sometime 2. But they never give so high dose. Reason, B and C not stored in our body, they excreted outside. So many times question like this. Human urine mainly contains dash vitamin, vitamin C. So through human urine, which of the following vitamin excreted outside? Vitamin C. Okay. So or vitamin C is not there in options, B complex. So like this, B and C are non-storable vitamins in our body. Next, storable vitamins. Storable vitamins in our body, A, D and B12. EK also storable, but compared to EK, so main storable vitamin in our body is A, D, B12. So these A, D, B12 stored in liver. Where these materials are stored, A, D, B12 in liver. For example, today you are taken vitamin A or vitamin A related food material. So that time that become excess to our body. Excess vitamin A not excreted outside, stored in our liver. Whenever our body needs, utilize it. Another example, today you are taking 60K vitamin D. So that become excess. That excess stored in liver. So that's why doctors advise, so if you are taking 60K vitamin D, no need to take again vitamin D next 1 week, next 10 days. Reason, that become excess, 60K become excess to our body, stored in liver. So whenever our body needs, utilize it. So this way, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, mainly storable vitamins in our body, these are stored in liver. So like these vitamins are, so based on storability also 2 types, non-storable vitamins and storable vitamins. Here storable meaning in our body. Okay. So this is a general introduction about vitamins. So now we are discussing all vitamins detailing. So vitamins, chemical name, their deficiency diseases, their specialties, etc. So in these vitamins, first I am starting with B complex vitamins. B complex vitamins. So B again dividing into different types. B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 like this. All these are called B complex vitamins. B again different types. So all are called B complex vitamins. So total 8 B complex vitamins are total 8. So what are they? B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. These 5 contains number as well as chemical name. So 5. And next biotin, pantothenic acid also called B5. Biotin also called B7, folic acid also called B9, these 3. So these numbering B5, B7, B9 not authentic, okay, so not authentic. So some scientists are considering B5, B7, B9, some scientists are considering only pantothenic acid, biotin and folic acid. So that's why I am not concentrating on particularly B5, B7, B9. So you remember pantothenic acid, biotin, folic acid. So anyhow, total B complex vitamins are 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. So now we are discussing all these detailedly. So one by one, all B complex vitamins we are discussing detailedly. Okay. So total B complex vitamins are 8. So B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, 5. Next pantothenic acid, biotin, folic acid. So 3, 5 plus 3, 8. So these all B complex vitamins again we are discussing very detailedly. So first one is a B1 vitamin. In B complex, first one is a B1. So B1 vitamin, chemical name thiamine or thiamine hydrochloride. Okay. So deficiency cause, B1 vitamin deficiency cause beriberi disease. So dear students, here I am not highlighting about their symptoms, because in competitive exams symptoms are not important, because in one disease there are many symptoms. Okay. So they are important only professional related exams, so not in competitive exams. Okay. So but here deficiency disease is very important. So here B1 vitamin deficiency cause beriberi. Again beriberi different types. So dry beriberi, wet beriberi, infant beriberi, different types. Okay. So next, food material. B1 vitamin available food material. So cereals mainly. So B1 vitamin present in cereals. Cereals means rice, wheat, jowar, barley, sorghum. These all are called cereals. So after cereals, these also present vitamin B1 also present meat, eggs, green vegetables, etc. But mainly highest amount present in cereals. Cereals where this B1 vitamin present, top layer. So cereals top layer contains B1 vitamin. So for example, you take rice grain immediately top layer, so called brown. So rice with top layer is called brown rice. So that's why doctors says to take more brown rice. Reason that brown rice contain top layer contains B1 vitamin. Okay. So if you separate the top layer of rice, that become brown. Brown is a good source of B1 vitamin, not only B1, other B complex vitamins, proteins, oils, etc. So that's why brown is called silver skin. So cereals top layer is called silver skin. How silver is important? Same way here. Cereals top layer is very important, because this top layer contains many macro and micronutrient materials. That's why it's costly also. So cereals top layer contains B1 vitamin. And next, highest B1 vitamin present in whole wheat bread. Highest B1 vitamin present in whole wheat bread. Or okay, not only whole wheat bread, whole wheat flour products, whole wheat flour food material. So whole wheat chapati, whole wheat biscuits, whole wheat noodles, etc. So all whole wheat flour products are a good source of B1 vitamin. So like this, highest B1 vitamin present in whole wheat bread or whole wheat products or cereals, particularly cereals top layer. Okay. So here deficiency disease important, and next so food material important. So food material highest one is very important. Next B2. After B1, next vitamin B2. So B2 chemical name riboflavin. B2 chemical name riboflavin. So also called lactoflavin. Here lacto means milk. So milk light yellow color because of the riboflavin. For example, cow milk compared to buffalo milk, cow milk light yellow color, a light brown color. Reason, the good source of this riboflavin. So compared to the buffalo milk, cow milk preferable. So reason, low fat, low bad cholesterol present. And so like this extra riboflavin present. So if this is present in milk, that is called lactoflavin. So also called riboflavin, also called hepatoflavin. So here hepato means liver, flavin means yellow color. Same, lacto means milk, flavin means flavonoids, flavo, yellow color. So if this is present, B2 vitamin present in liver, that is called hepatoflavin. So ovoflavin, if it is present in egg, ovoflavin. So riboflavin, so lactoflavin, hepatoflavin, these all are the alternate names of chemical B2, are alternative names of riboflavin. So riboflavin also called lactoflavin, hepatoflavin, ovoflavin, etc. So next, disease, deficiency diseases, vitamin B12 deficiency diseases. First one, chelosis. In chelosis, what happens? Mouth angles, this sides, deep cut. So indirectly, cracking of mouth corners. Cracking of mouth corners called chelosis. Sometimes this is possible in kids. So remember, not lips, mouth corners. This side deep cut, some mass developed, and some secretions, first other materials continuously secreted from this part, that is called chelosis. Here symptom is not important, affected part important. For example, question is like this. So chelosis affected to dash part in our body, mouth corners or mouth. You see, sorry, so chelosis. See how deep cut mouth corners, choose some mass developed, some wound developed. So this is called chelosis. So B2 deficiency, one disease called chelosis. Chelosis affected to mouth corners. So next, so second one, seborrheic dermatitis. Another deficiency disease, vitamin B2 deficiency disease, seborrheic dermatitis. Dermatitis, derma means skin. Skin become rough, particularly upper lip, nose become rough, like a scaly skin or shark fish skin. So here this is a skin disease. Seborrheic dermatitis is a skin disease. So like this. See how scaly skin, total upper lip, pie part and nose. This is the seborrheic dermatitis. Skin particularly in face, nose and upper lip becomes scaly, rough, just like a shark fish skin. So second disease. Next, third disease, glossitis. Vitamin B2 deficiency diseases. Number one, chelosis. Second one, seborrheic dermatitis. Third one, glossitis. Glossitis affected to tongue. Blisters developed on tongue. Red color blisters are developed on tongue. So that time it is not possible to take food material because inflammation, pain. So here glossitis affected to dash part in our body. You can expect this type of the questions. So glossitis affected to tongue and chelosis affected to mouth corners. Seborrheic dermatitis the skin disease. You see these slides? See, glossitis is a tongue. How blisters are developed on tongue. So these are the three diseases of vitamin B2. So next, food material. Vitamin B2 available food materials. Milk, meat, green vegetables. Again, so highest B2 vitamin present in milk. And so next after vitamin B12, so B3. B2 next vitamin B3. So chemical name niacin. B3 vitamin chemical name niacin. So deficiency diseases. B3 vitamin deficiency diseases. Pellagra. So here pellagra means rough skin. Pellagra general meaning rough skin. So one of the symptom of pellagra is a rough skin. And pellagra also called 3D disease. Sometimes it is also called 4D disease. Pellagra also called 3D disease or 4D disease. Here 3D means not three-dimensional. So pellagra leads to other three diseases, They start with D, that's why pellagra is called 3D disease. What are the three diseases associated with pellagra? So number 1, dermatitis. Derma, again skin disease. Next, diarrhea. Diarrhea means loose motions. So dementia. So temporary memory, loss of temporary memory. You observe these three diseases, D1, D2, D3. So 3D disease. So pellagra leads to other three problems. What are they? Dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. These are starting with D. So that's why pellagra is called 3D disease. Sometimes pellagra leads to death also. So after dermatitis, after diarrhea, dementia, this food metal is not available, vitamin B3 contains food metal is not available. This leads to death also. After death, the disease is called 4D disease. You can expect direct question, 3D disease. Which of the following is not a 3D disease? So, A, dermatitis, B, diarrhea, C, dementia, D, dengue. Dengue is not a 3D disease. So, 3D disease because of the dash deficiency. So, B3 vitamin, niacin deficiency. Like this, you can expect questions in competitive exams. Okay. So, pellagra also called 3D disease. Sometimes it is called 4D disease. So, pellagra leads to other three problems, other three diseases. These are start with D. Okay. So, example, dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Okay. And one more specialty of this vitamin B3, it reduced bad cholesterol. Vitamin B3 reduced bad cholesterol in our body. Okay. And food material, available food material, vitamin B3, available food material, cereals, green vegetables, so peas and beans, tomatoes, etc. So fruits, vegetables, cereals, green vegetables mainly contains this vitamin B3. Okay. You see, pellagra, rough skin. Already told you, pellagra means rough skin. How skin become rough? See? So, rough skin. Okay. So, next B6. After B3, next vitamin B6. B6 chemically called pyridoxine. B6 vitamin chemical name pyridoxine. And diseases, deficiency diseases. B6 vitamin deficiency diseases. Dermatitis, again this is a skin disease. Derma means skin, so skin disease. So diarrhea, loose motions. Next, anemia. Anemia means low hemoglobin percentage. Low hemoglobin percentage. Hemoglobin percentage. Generally in our daily life, anemia means we think low blood. No. So volume of blood same here in blood. So inside the RBC, hemoglobin percentage. So hemoglobin present, that percentage become low. So here low hemoglobin percentage is called anemia. So anemia related to dash hemoglobin or blood. But blood volume not become low. So in blood hemoglobin percentage become low. So anemia means low hemoglobin percentage. So deficiency diseases of vitamin B6 are dermatitis and diarrhea, anemia. And next available food material. So B6 vitamin available food materials. So liver, kidney, eggs, cereals, green vegetables. So it's present in meat, mainly liver, kidney and eggs. So cereals, green vegetables. Okay. So B6. Next, very important vitamin in competitive examination view and so our food material related very important vitamin is vitamin B12. Okay, so chemical name is cyanocobalamin. In animals it is called methylcobalamin. So anyhow CO is common. CO is common. So here CO means cobalt. This vitamin contains cobalt. That's why this is also called cobalt containing vitamin. Cobalt is a part of dash vitamin, vitamin B12. So that's why this CO. methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin, adenosylcobalamin, these all are the same. So, CO common word, so 2 letters common CO, reason this contains cobalt. Okay, vitamin B12 contains cobalt. Same like this, other 2 minerals and their components also very important. So, what are they? Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains iron, and chlorophyll contains magnesium. Chlorophyll contains magnesium. These 3 are very important. You can expect direct question. Chlorophyll contains dash mineral, so magnesium. Hemoglobin contains dash iron. Vitamin B12 contains dash, so cobalt. One more specialty of these three are show same structure. Porphyrin structure. Porphyrin structure. So, which of the following 3 are same structure? These 3. Okay, you can expect direct question. Hemoglobin contains dash mineral and vitamin B12 contains dash mineral. So, like this. So, vitamin B12 contains cobalt. That's why it is called cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12 chemical name. And now, deficiency diseases. So, pernicious anemia. Deficiency disease, pernicious anemia. So, in pernicious anemia, RBC, red blood cells development reduced. Actually, vitamin B12 important for RBC development. RBC development. Red blood cells or red blood corpuscles development. That's why vitamin B12 also called RBC development factor. So, listen carefully, very important. RBC development factor or erythrocyte development factor. So, here factor meaning in this topic factor meaning vitamin. So, factor means a chemical. Depending upon topic, factor is equal to that chemical. For example, now we are discussing about vitamin. Vitamins topic factor means vitamin. So, minerals topic factor means a mineral. So, here in this sentence factor, FACTR, factor means vitamin B12. So, vitamin B12 important for RBC development. That's why it is called erythrocyte development factor. So, instead of factor you can write vitamin B12. So, final sentence like this. RBC important for development, vitamin B12 important for RBC development. Okay. And next, food material. Vitamin B12 food material. So, liver, egg, milk, kidney. You observe only animal related material. These all are the animal related material. So, this way B12 present only in animal food material. Very low amount of B12 present in plant based food material. So, very important point. Which of the following vitamin mainly available through animal related food material? Vitamin B12. You observe liver, eggs, milk, kidneys, these all are animal related. So, animal foods. So, it low amount of vitamin B12 present in plant based food, almost all, so nil. Okay, that's why doctors advise to take milk daily or milk products. Okay, or egg weekly once, so weekly twice eggs compulsory, or if you are non-vegetarian, so take non-veg weekly. Reason, vitamin B12 mainly available through the animal food material. So, very important points. Here 2 points, so very important. That's why again and again here I am saying, one is pernicious anemia, deficiency called pernicious anemia. In this RBC development become delay. That's why to treat anemia, doctors also give vitamin B12. And next, vitamin B12 mainly available through the animal based food material. Okay. So, next pantothenic acid. Numbering vitamins are over. What are they? B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. So 5 number vitamins are completed. Next, pantothenic acids. Okay, and deficiency diseases, pantothenic acid deficiency disease, burning feet, and next poor growth and graying of hair. Hair turn to grey color, copper color. This problem you can see in kids. This is not a disease. Hair turn to grey color is not a disease. It's a symptom. It's a symptom they are suffering pantothenic acid deficiency or vitamin, mainly B complex vitamin deficiency. So once again, pantothenic acid deficiency cause burning feet, poor growth, and graying of hair. So hair turn to grey color, copper color. So this you can see mainly in kids below 5 years. Okay, and this also called yeast factor. So in this statement, factor meaning pantothenic acids. It's important to yeast growth. Yeast is a microorganism and also available through yeast. That's why it is called yeast factor. So in this statement, factor means pantothenic acids. Okay, and food material, pantothenic acid available food material is greeny leafy vegetables, liver, egg, milk. Here important point in this slide, important point is yeast factor. Okay, so next after this, biotin. Next vitamin, biotin. Biotin also called vitamin H. Biotin also called vitamin H. And deficiency diseases, dermatitis, again skin disease, and muscular pain. Highlight this one because it's a main problem, main disease. Biotin deficiency, main problem, main disease, muscular pain or muscles pain. Muscles become weak. And the next, growth failure. So this biotin, another problem, deficiency, another problem, growth failure. And biotin also called anti-egg white injury factor. Again, this is very, very important. Biotin also called anti-egg white injury factor. So in this statement, factor meaning biotin. Here in this statement, factor is equal to biotin. What is this anti-egg white injury? Here egg whites, raw egg whites, raw egg whites. Raw egg means before boiling. That egg is called raw egg. Raw egg contains one chemical called avidin. Raw egg contains one chemical called avidin. Excess avidin in our body cause some damage. If anybody is taking raw egg, avidin accumulated in their body cause this muscular pain, growth failure, etc. This biotin prevents that raw egg white injury, or biotin prevents avidin injury in our body. So biotin controlling, preventing avidin related injury or egg white related material injury. That's why this is called anti-egg white injury factor. So biotin act against egg white injury. So what is egg white injury? Raw egg contains avidin. So continuously intaking of raw egg daily 2-3 months together, avidin accumulated in our body and cause some damage, this growth failure, muscular pain, etc. So that's why doctors advise, so if you are taking a raw egg daily, along with raw egg, take B complex vitamins, biotin compulsory. So biotin prevents this white egg injury or avidin injury. That's why this is called anti-egg white injury factor. So boiled egg, no problem. At the time of boiling, avidin inactivated. That's why intaking of boiled egg is safe. So see, taking of raw egg may be chance to 2 problems. I am saying clearly, only chance. One is avidin problem, second one contamination. Through egg, there is a chance to entry of salmonella and other bacteria. So if you take raw egg, they enter in our body, in your body or digest system, cause some problems. Boiled egg is okay. Reason, at the time of boiling or because of the boiling, microorganisms inactivated, bacteria inactivated, avidin inactivated. So that's why compared to the raw egg, boiled egg always safe. Okay. So when you heat egg certain temperature, avidin inactivated, microorganisms inactivated. So anyhow you are taking raw egg daily along with raw egg or this biotin compulsory. So that's why this is called anti-egg white injury factor. And next, so last B complex vitamin, folic acid, also called vitamin M. Folic acid, also called vitamin M. Deficiency cause, folic acid deficiency cause, megaloblastic anemia. In megaloblastic anemia, RBC increases size and breakdown. See here, mega means big, blasto, breakdown. Which cell become big? RBC become big. When it is increased abnormal size, next what happens? It's a breakdown. So RBC increase size, so breakdown, this leads to anemia. When RBC break down, hemoglobin also break down. So hemoglobin percentage become low. So low hemoglobin percentage is called anemia. So this way, folic acid deficiency cause megaloblastic anemia. In this, RBC breakdown, RBC increase size and so breakdown. This megaloblastic anemia also called macrocytic anemia. Macrocytic anemia. Same meaning. Here macro means large size, cyto means cell. So which cell increasing size? RBC. RBC increasing size, breakdown leads to anemia. That's why macrocytic anemia. Actually, folic acid is very important to our body. It promotes cell division. It promotes cell division. Important for DNA synthesis. And also stimulates RBC production. Very important point. It stimulates RBC production in bone marrow. RBC production in bone marrow. It stimulates RBC production in bone marrow. That's why doctors give folic acid tablets. Don't confuse between folic acid and vitamin B12. Folic acid important for stimulation or production of RBC inside bone marrow. They stimulate production of RBC inside bone marrow. After production, for development, vitamin B12 compulsory. For healthy RBC, B6 compulsory. So that's why doctors give folic acid tablets, folic acid with vitamin B12 tablets. So reason, folic acid stimulate RBC production. After that one, for healthy RBC, vitamin B12 compulsory. So vitamin B12 important for RBC development. So folic acid important for their production. Both are different. So that's why doctors giving folic acid plus vitamin B12, so tablets. So this way folic acid very important to our body. It stimulates cell division, it important for DNA synthesis, and next helpful for this production of RBC in bone marrow. Okay, and so folic acid essential, compulsory to pregnancy women. Okay, folic acid essential to pregnancy women. Deficiency of folic acid in pregnancy women leads to so neural tube defects in fetus. Folic acid very essential, compulsory to pregnancy women. Otherwise, fetus means growing baby inside mother womb, shows this neural tube defects. So here fetus meaning growing baby inside mother womb. Here neural tube defects means nervous system, spinal cords. Neural tube means spinal cord defects. One type of the neural tube defect is called spina bifida disease. So deficiency of folic acid at the time of pregnancy so leads to spina bifida disease in fetus. So neural tube defects in fetus. That's why doctors give folic acid tablets to the pregnancy women. In all government hospitals in India, Anganwadi centers, So free folic acid supplementation program they are conducting. So free folic acid distributing program. They compulsory give these folic acid tablets to pure folic acid tablets to pregnant women. So reason, in normal person, folic acid compulsory for cell division, DNA synthesis and RBC production. Pregnant women need double dose extra. So that's why they are giving free folic acid tablets. Okay. So otherwise, neural tube defects in fetus. One example of neural tube defect is spina bifida. You see, iron and folic acid and calcium supplementation, one program. So all pregnant women need to be given iron folic acid tablets, 100 mg elemental iron and 0.5 mg folic acid every day throughout the pregnancy. Elemental calcium 100 mg so every day after first trimester. Okay, it's compulsory to pregnant women. Okay, see, implementation of weekly iron folic acid supplementation program, WIF, and National Iron Plus Initiative Program, NIPI, started in 2018. So these are the government programs. So here, implementation of weekly iron and folic acid. To control anemia, government giving iron and folic acid. Okay, so very, very important. You see, spina bifida disease, how spinal cord come outside. Okay, here spinal cords generally inside the vertebral column, but here vertebral column opens, spinal cord come outside. So this baby need immediately surgery. Sometime there is a chance to death also. So prevent like this neural tube defects. Pregnancy women compulsory to take folic acid tablets. That's why folic acid very, very essential, compulsory to pregnancy women. So these all are the different B complex vitamins and the deficiency diseases, available food material. Folic acid, available food material, last point, very, very, very important. Folic acid, so available food material. Leafy vegetables. Note down, leafy vegetables, particularly spinach. Folio means leaf. Folio means leaf. This folic acid mainly available through leafy vegetables. Again, in leafy vegetables, highest folic acid present in spinach. After leafy vegetables, this folic acid also present different fruits and other vegetables. That's why to reduce the macronutrient deficiency, particularly vitamin deficiency, doctors advise take more fruits, vegetables, particularly leafy vegetables. So dear students, these all are the different B complex vitamins, their deficiency diseases, available food materials. Okay, today we are closing this session. Again we are discussing some other vitamins in next session. Thank you.